Go.
Vancouver Police
Aw,
Department
died.
is looking for a child who was last seen at 400 Southeast 164th in Vancouver, Washington, and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Audrey A. Voronenko. He is a 9-year-old Ukrainian male with brown hair and green eyes. He is believed
12522 died too.
inches, weighing 74 pounds. He was last seen wearing a navy polo pink striped shirt, gray pants, blue and gray tennis shoes, and dark navy raincoat. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of Alexei B. Voronenko. He is a 38-year-old Russian male with brown hair and blue eyes. He is believed to be 6 foot 2 inches, weighing 300 pounds. They may be traveling in a 2007 dark gray Honda Accord vehicle with Texas license plate CKK3638. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please call 911 or 360-696-4461 immediately.
And there's the effective time.
In the lower 60s to lower 70s. Highs in the mid-50s to mid-60s, as well as in the 40s. You are listening to the all-weather radio station KHB60.
Alright, well, that's it. Amber Alert's in effect for an hour. It was delayed a couple of times due to updates. TV did not go off. 12993 and 12522 went off due to low power sufficiency because they were dead. Was charging them up for tomorrow's test. And yeah, they just died basically because they only got little charge. So I'm surprised that the HH50 went off. So yeah, that's it. Hello everyone, thank you for watching this upload. You can find a link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.